No backyard? No problem. Even if you live in a small apartment, you can grow your own fresh herbs easily and save money doing it. Today, I'll show you how to turn your balcony into a productive herb garden in just a few steps. Let's start. Start with easy, sun-loving herbs like basil, rosemary, mint, oregano, and thyme. These thrive in pots and don't need a lot of space. If you cook often, grow what you use most. Use containers that drain well. Clay pots, recycled buckets, or vertical planters work great. The key? Go vertical to maximize space. Place them where they'll get at least 4-6 hours of sunlight per day. Use high-quality potting mix, not garden soil. For drainage, add a bit of sand or coco peat. Most herbs love sun, but some like parsley and chives do fine in partial shade. Water when the top inch of soil feels dry. Avoid overwatering. Use a spray bottle for misting in hot weather. Every 2 weeks, give your herbs a drink of compost tea or diluted seaweed extract. Don't be afraid to trim. Regular harvesting encourages new growth. For basil, always cut above the leaf node. For rosemary and thyme, snip off the top to -3 inches. HORTIKNOW penalty, harvest in the morning for the strongest flavor and oils. Your herb garden is now set. Drop a comment and let me know. Which herb are you planting first? If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more small space gardening hacks from the HORTIKNOW channel.